Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hollow Knight on a controller. To begin, let's cover the fundamental controls. You will use the left analog stick to move your character around the world. To jump, simply press the A button on an Xbox controller or the X button on a PlayStation controller. For attacking with your nail, use the X button on Xbox or the square button on PlayStation. Finally, interact with the environment and characters by pressing the A or X button. Mastering combat involves more than just basic attacks. Your primary weapon is the nail, used with the attack button. To cast spells, hold down the focus button, typically B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation, and then press your attack button. You can also heal by holding the focus button to consume soul, restoring health. Remember to utilize your dash ability, often mapped to the right bumper, for quick evasions during intense battles. Hollow Knight offers many ways to traverse its vast world. Wall jumping is crucial. Simply press the jump button while clinging to a wall. Later, you will gain the Monarch Wings, allowing for a powerful double jump. The Crystal Heart provides a long, horizontal dash, essential for crossing large gaps. Always remember to check your map and inventory, usually accessed via the view button on Xbox or the touchpad on PlayStation, to guide your exploration. Charms are vital for customizing your playstyle. You can equip various charms, found throughout Hallownest or bought from vendors, to enhance your abilities and provide unique buffs. Experiment with different combinations to suit your preferences. Always prioritize thorough exploration. The world is filled with hidden secrets and valuable upgrades. Finally, consistent practice in combat will sharpen your reflexes and make even the toughest bosses manageable. Enjoy your journey through Hallownest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.